Hey, what's going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be installing this center console armrest cover on my 2020 Ford F-150. Now this will also fit any 2015 through 2020 F-150 for sure, as long as you have the center console and not the jump seat. The installation could not be more straightforward, so let's jump right into it. Okay guys, so as promised, this installation could not be any more straightforward. So you will notice that on the side of your armrest cover, or center console cover, you have one side that is slightly, taller or sticks out more than this side. So that's going to be the side that goes on the front. All you have to do is, see, it already comes with these, flexible but still firm little straps right here. All you have to do is open up your center console and slide this over it, making sure that the longer ends are the ones facing the front. So let's go ahead and do that right now. And as you can see, guys, it really could not be more straightforward than that. So this armrest, or this center console cover right here, very, very nice, some comfortable and soft material. It feels nice when your arm is on it. It definitely gives it a lot more of a cushion. It definitely is a lot more plush than just your standard center console cover right here. This is leather that I have right here, so this will also protect it nice from any like dirt or moisture. Like, I go to the gym all the time, and so my arms are always a little bit sweaty. So now I don't have to worry about putting my arm on here because of the moisture and everything, because this guy will protect it. Okay guys, so as promised, it was a super simple and straightforward installation process. I would really recommend this product, especially if you guys have like a cloth center console. This has the really nice diamond stitching in it. It makes it look super classy, and it's very inexpensive and super simple to install. So go ahead and check this product out. Thank you again to the company for sending this out to me, to do a little installation and review of their product, and we will catch you guys on the next video.